Hello, my name is Haley Engel. This video is for the A&P Lab Module 5 assignment. The assignment was to visualize and identify 6 of the appendicular muscles and their purposes. The first one that I've selected is the rectus femoris, which is this muscle right here. Its purpose is to extend the knee, and it also flexes the thigh. The second muscle that I have selected, I'm going to turn this around here, is the bicep femoris, which can be visualized here. The bicep femoris extends the thigh and it flexes the knee. It's the opposite of the first appendicular muscle I selected. I'm going to turn this back around, and the next muscle I've selected is the tibialis anterior. And the tibialis anterior serves to dorsiflex the foot or lift the foot upward. It inverts the foot. So I'm going to rotate this around once more. Here we go. So the back here, this is the gastrocnemius. And the gastrocnemius plantar flexes the foot, meaning that it is able to turn the foot up and down away from the body. And it assists also with flexion of the knee. The next muscle I've selected is the gluteus maximus. The gluteus maximus serves to help extend the thigh. It laterally rotates the thigh, so it turns the thigh away from the body. In other words, it abducts the thigh. And the last muscle is the gluteus medius, which also abducts the thigh, turns it away from the body, medially rotates the thigh, and it allows stabilization for the pelvis while walking, and that's right here, the gluteus medius.